Baltimore, the partners with Epicurean Experience, Select Lounge, and me, Mikkel Hunter, have what you need for your weekday fix. It's Epicurean Wednesdays. Each and every week, Epicurean Wednesdays at Select Lounge, 415 North Packer Street. Get your Epicurean Wednesday on with the ultimate professional adult social from 6 to 9. It's Happy Hour Foreplay, featuring Young Poet drink specials. At 8 p.m., we step into Poets Corner Live, where it's all about you and the spoken word. Feel the vibe. Epicurean Wednesdays with Poets Corner Live. All poets and aspiring poets are encouraged to apply. Closing the night, spinning from 10 to midnight. Experience Epicurean Wednesday every Wednesday at Select Lounge, 415 North Packer Street. Cover $10. Dress code stylish chic. Get a taste of Epicurean Wednesdays at Facebook.com/CTJD. Epicurean Experience, sponsored by CCGI Relocations, LLC. And this Wednesday night, we spotlight some of your favorite local poets. Come get an earful at Epicurean Wednesdays and Poets Corner Live at Select Lounge, 415 North Packer.